Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So I'm making the video on ticker symbol REV because many people are asking about Revlon. Is it over? What about the chart? Is it looking? And how can we make money? So basically in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the trading range using the support and resistance, at the same time some short interest and option chain activities so that you can make some money. Also, I'm hearing few other things from few people that next week Thursday or Friday some news might come, then there is a court hearing, so many things happening, right? So anyway, if you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So first of all, Revlon is coming down. You can see that for last 5 days it's just a red bar, right? But if you look at a 1 month chart, still like it went all the way to 789 and now it is coming down. So you know the chart. I'm going to talk about the chart and price action and how you can make some money. And also, if you like pre-market trade ideas for different ticker symbol with entry, exit and target, also 9 o'clock live call to walk through the place, please join my community. See last Friday how did you make money for TBLT, 58% VAT, 19% TKLF. So we made some money. So anyway, join my Patreon using the link the the link in the first comment. Just $9 per month and get access to my Discord. Let's make some money together. So first of all, Rev, the one of the important thing is it is not having lots of volume like it used to get. The average volume was 11 million, and last Friday the volume was only 1 million. Look at the volume chart. At one point it was rising, it was getting 150, 170, 180 million volume compared to 180. Now we are getting only 1 million volume. So the volume died drastically. Without the volume, this thing can move, even though we know the short interest is huge, 72%. We know the dark pool short interest is 49%. There is only few shares available to short. Everything is good, right? The cost to borrow rate is good, everything is good. The only problem is volume. So when the volume will come, then everything will trigger, right? Because the cost to borrow rate is high, very few shares are available to short interest is over 70%, then it can move again. Because if you look at the chart, when the volume came, this thing ran from like $1 2 all the way to 15 16 $18, right? So we need volume. That's the most important thing. Not $18, sorry. It was like around $8. So volume, okay. Now, few other things, if you look at Fintel, the high short interest stock, there are some tickers. So Rev is sitting at number 1 with 72.5% short interest. And the important thing is the float. It has only 5 million float. So when a stock has float of 5 million and there are 100 million volume, it is 20 times more volume than the float. That is the thing it triggers, right? The short uh, the float size is small, and when you get more volume, then the fun begins, then the stock price goes higher. Now the float is 5 million, which is tiny, but the problem is the volume is also tiny, just 1 million. So we need more, right? At least more than 5 million. That's the one thing. The other thing about the option side is now we do not see a lot of call option just sitting around for the next monthly expiration date, which is 19th of August. For 5 strike we see some 8,000 open interest. But if I just look next week, 29th of July, there is not a lot of call options waiting like before, because the things are drying up, right? So volume is the most important thing. Now let's see something like if you want to make some money from here, right? So recently it is making some movement, or you can say holding the 5.1 as a support. Now you can see from 5.1 it is going to 6.1, so coming back and forth. So if you want, you can just trade between 5.1 and 6.1, which will be like 15 to 18% profit, right? And also have a stop loss maybe around $5 area. So in case you are wrong, right? But look at the big picture. If it can go over 6.1, it might have some resistance at 6.5. After that it can move again. On the other side, if it can hold 5.1, it might come back to 4.1. okay, it might come back to 4.1. Recently, if you look at a 1 hour chart, I just want to show you what is happening. Look at the MACD. Is maybe I'll just zoom. Look at the MACD. We were having lots of buying pressure. Look at the big green bars here, right? Now the buying, selling, everything is less. That's the one of the big thing, right? And also on a 1 hour chart, if you look at the MACD, maybe I'll just go back to a daily chart. Just want to show you how things are going. So the daily chart, on a daily, the RSI was almost like 70, and now it came down and moving sideways. So I won't say it is still over, but the most important thing is it needs some volume. Look at the daily chart here, not bad, it's still moving within a range between 5.1 and 6.1. As long it can hold and any kind of good news comes, this thing can move. If volume comes, this thing can move. So keep an eye. If you're holding, just have a stop loss, or you can always try to play these. And if you're part of my Discord, and if we see some excitement on rev, then definitely in pre-market we will bring this. We will give you the entry, exit, and different target prices, and hopefully you can make some money. We have some nice experienced trader. We chat, we update chart, we make money together. So hopefully just for $9 you can just participate and you can make money, 30 cents per day. Okay, so anyway, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thanks for again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.